Proper caulking can save energy. Plus, it's easy and affordable. Most air leaks are around windows, so it's important to check them. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to caulk your windows. You'll need good quality permanent caulking compound, a wire brush to remove old caulking or paint, a caulking gun, a clean rag, a utility knife, some soapy water, and foam rope for larger openings. Here's how to caulk your windows in 5 easy steps. First, identify the areas to be caulked. Check the most common spots for air leakage. Look for signs of a poor seal like cracked caulking and watermarks. Spider webs can be a sign of air leaks, since spiders tend to build their webs in places where air circulates. Second, clean the areas to be caulked. Remove old compound that is split and dried using a utility knife, and clean the area well with a wire brush. Make sure the area to be caulked is free of dirt, loose paint, and old caulking. Clean well with alcohol or water and a clean rag, then dry well. If there are cracks larger than 6 millimeters, fill them in with foam rope before caulking. Third, prepare the caulking cartridge. When you're ready to start, use a utility knife to cut the nozzle of the caulking cartridge at a right angle. Then break the seal by pushing a wire or a long nail through the cut opening of the nozzle. Before you begin, take a minute to familiarize yourself with the caulking gun. The trigger applies the sealant and controls the flow. When you press the release lever, the flow stops. Now, insert the cartridge into the gun. Fourth, apply the caulk. Push the caulking gun along at a right angle to the crack or joint, squeezing the trigger lightly and steadily. To stop the flow of the caulk, press the release lever. If needed, use a small craft stick to push the compound into the crack and fill it completely. Make sure the caulk sticks to both sides of the crack. Add more as needed. Fifth, smooth the joint. You have 5 minutes to finish the bead nicely before it hardens. If you're using a silicone-based caulking compound, finish the bead with a finger dipped in soapy water or a plastic spoon. Be sure to read all the manufacturer's directions. Proper caulking is often enough to lower your electricity costs, so check your house for air leaks today. For more information on making your home more energy efficient, visit our website.